Hello everyone, welcome back to FresherLog. If you are looking for ML engineer jobs in 26, then stop scrolling. This is a not normal hiring updates. Subscribe to FresherLog channel. This is one of the biggest hiring drive I ever shared. 50 plus entry level ML engineer roles across 7 plus companies in US and India. So this is a very big mass opportunity for you. This drive is specially open for freshers and a professional with 0 to 3 year experience. Candidate are initial OTP. So this is a rare opportunity, and the best part, this process is a fast, transparent feedback within a 24 and 48 hours. So let us see what I have mentioned in this post. So this is a hiring drive 11. 0 to 3 years experience, semi-regional role in India and US, especially for people who are currently on their initial OTP or a STEAM OPT. This is one of biggest hiring drive, and we are participated with over 7 companies for a massive opportunity of over 50 plus roles targeting different domains from fintech, supply chain and consultancy etc. We are hiring mainly for 50 plus junior entry level ML engineer roles, folks with 0 to 3 years of a professional ML engineer experience. So this is one of the biggest opportunity. If you get a scoring of 80% or higher, you will be selected to go the next round with the hiring manager if they like your profile and answer the following. That will be the offer stage. We plan to close the entire process within a less than 2 weeks. Time is so though those of you are still interested, gear up and be ready prepared for the assessment. And the one of this interview process will be a pretty simple and a quick and straightforward. There will be assessment test following which you will get a detailed feedback within a 24 hours. This in the all information was mentioned in the post, so you do read the post. Especially I have shared in the description the official post link as well as the hiring drive form link. So please complete the assessment and let know what you thought about the test. Everyone will get feedback within a 48 hours of this part of completion. So let us go on a link what they have mentioned in the link and what kind of test it is. So this is a hiring drive 11 entry level ML engineer assessment for people in India. This is an industry real interview ready and for a strong new graduation plus early career engineers including MS PhD candidates. So this is a opportunity for a PhD candidate as well, fresher as well, experience as well, and the early career engineers means who have in the last year in their college. So for those also this opportunity. The target role is a machine learning engineer entry level. The total assessment time is a 45 minute. The format is mixed ML fundamental, coding, system thinking, and reasoning. So, do prepare all of this. If you pass this test, they will definitely ask you this question. Tool and languages they are asking for the Python, NumPy, PyTorch, TensorFlow, any one of this, and the SQL basics. Focus on the ML fundamentals, modeling, intuition, correctness, scalability, and clarity. The location was India or a remote. Employment time is a full time. Experience 0 to 3 years. New graduation, MS, PhDs. Welcome. Now, about the role, they have all the mention. All of the mention. You work closely with the software engineer, data scientists, and project managers to ship ML feature end to end from data to deployment means from us to the customer like this end to end the project handling will be there. So what will we do? Build, train and evaluate ML models for a real world problem. Write clean, correct and effective Python for data processing and modeling. Design a loss function, metric and evaluation strategies. Analyze model errors, bias and failure models. So what they are looking for and what did must have in a candidate: strong fundamentation in a machine learning fundamentals, supervised versus unsupervised learning, and this is a basic of a ML as per my knowledge. So bias and various trade-off, overfitting, regulation, evaluation metric. So this is a very important, and you must have these skills for a ML engineer, and this is a very fundamental and basic of a ML. Then the solid Python skills, ML data work, understanding of common models like linear, logistic regression, tree-based models, basic neural networks. So this is a very must. Comfort working with a real data set, missing values, noise, skew, ability to reason about why model fails, not just tune, clear communication of a technical ideas and assumption. Let us see how's the test and how many sections. So ML engineer assessment will be the 45 minutes. The first section will contain ML fundamentals. It's 10 minutes. Bias as versus variance reasoning, matrix selection under constraints, handling class imbalance or a data shift. Then come on to the next section. The first section was in 10-minute section. Then the section B was in ML coding, which is a 15-minute. Implement a custom loss evaluation metric, vector sized operation, numerical stability, clean readable Python code. You have to write that. This section C was in applied ML reasoning for 10 minutes, error analysis, feature impact reasoning, model comparison, and trade off. The section D was an ML system thinking, which is for 10 minutes, training versus inference concerns, monitoring and retraining strategies, data leakages, and drift scenario. So after that, this is the overall role overview and test overview for all of you. Then you have to enter your name and email address. You will be receive your result on your email address, so must fill the email address correct. The correctness is a very important, as well as the role, as well as for the email address. So they have asked you some few questions. There are four questions. Yeah, there are four questions in this form. The one question is a bias and variance, and the third one was for an something like code, as they are mentioned in the section C, and this section 2, it means section B was in real world scenario, and the section 1 was in your observe. So this is a very important for all of you, how to solve it, how to resolve it. So do try solve in the 45 minutes and answer all of this the question, and do apply all this opportunity all I have shared, and do subscribe to assessment link in the description. Complete it today. Thanks for watching. All the best. Go take the test. This is a hiring drive 11, and this is one of the massive.